Reaction conversion series 8. First question is, this molecule is treated with water in presence of acidic medium. There are two possibilities. One is epoxide can undergo protonation. Next one, alkene can undergo protonation. There are two possibilities. Here, oxygen has lone pair. It can donate electron more easily when we compare to pi bond. Okay. Therefore, here oxygen atom undergoes protonation preferentially. Oxygen gets positive charge. Here it is 3-member ring, less stable. Positive charged oxygen attract electron from the secondary carbon. Therefore, ring at dissociation means stability increases. We know one thing very clearly. 3-member ring is less stable. 3-member ring is less stable. It is more reactive. That's why oxygen atom undergoes protonation. Positive charged oxygen attract electron almost maximum, almost completely. It is primary carbon, it is secondary carbon. On secondary carbon, positive charge is more stable. Therefore, oxygen attract electrons maximum from this secondary carbon. After that, this is electrophilic. Now, alkene is nucleophilic within the molecule is there. Therefore, intramolecular reaction occurred faster, right? समझो कि pi bond electrons polarizes toward this CS2 carbon. Negative charge and this positive charge between the bond formation takes place. It is first carbon, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Between 1 and 5 bond formation takes place. Let's say this is first carbon, this is second, third, fourth, and it is fifth. Fifth carbon is connected to sixth one and it is with OH group also. Okay, second carbon donating electrons to first carbon, therefore second carbon gets positive charge. It is already tertiary carbon, therefore no question about rearrangement. Next one, water molecule can make a bond with this carbon atom. Okay, this is major product. As oxygen donating electron gets positive charge and finally releases H+. Okay, this is compound P. Now, you may have some doubts like, why not this oxygen making a bond with this carbon? Okay, my answer is very simple. If this oxygen is making a bond with this carbon, we'll get bridged bicyclic molecule. It has some strain. It has some ring strain. That's why here water molecule is making a bond with this carbon to get this compound P. Now, what is the question? Select correct statements about compound P. It has primary alcohol. Yes, of course, this is primary carbon with OH. Therefore, this is primary alcoholic group. It has secondary. No, because this is tertiary carbon. Means it has primary alcohol and a tertiary alcohol. Okay. Next one. It is negative towards bromine water test. Yes, of course, it is negative. What is the reason? It is a cyclic saturated molecule. There is no unsaturation. There is no double bond. There is no triple bond. Therefore, there is no question about reaction with bromine water. Therefore, this is negative towards bromine water test. Therefore, what are the correct statements? Option A, because it is primary alcohol. Option C, because this is tertiary alcohol. Option D, because there is no C double bond C and C triple bond C, therefore negative towards bromine water test. Second one is, here it is with OH group and it is C double bond C. Now this molecule is treated with H2SO4. We know H2SO4 releases H plus. Now there is matlab a critical important point is there. Here oxygen atom carries lone pair, it can undergo protonation. This pi bond can undergo protonation. Very strictly speaking, lone pair can donate electron to H plus easily. But the problem is, if this OH group donates electron to H plus, loss of water molecule takes place and carbon gets positive charge. Here it is less stable. Why is it less stable? Okay, let me explain in this way. If this pi bond donate electron to H plus, it is CS2 by taking H plus convert into CS3 and this carbon gets positive charge. Now tell me about the stabilities. Here it is 3-member ring, adjacent to 3-member ring there is sp3 positive charged carbon. This positive charge will be stabilized by sigma resonance. But here 3-member ring with a positive charge. Therefore sigma resonance is not possible. Of course it is resonance possible with this pi bond. But we know one thing, sigma resonance is more stabilizing phenomena when we compare to normal pi bond resonance. Therefore, reaction won't occur in this direction. Reaction occur only in this direction. Okay, means here alkene donate electron to H plus, we'll get a carbocation. Next one, if this positive charge is present on this carbon, it will be stabilized by back bonding with this oxygen. Means here rearrangement of carbocation is possible. Let's say this is first carbon, this is second, this is third, and it is fourth. Fourth carbon is already connected to CS3. Okay, first carbon is with already positive charge. Now here back bonding is possible. Oxygen donate electron to this carbon and oxygen gets positive charge. यहाँ से H plus निकल जाएगा, convert into C double bond O group. This is compound. Okay. Now the question is select the correct statements. OH group undergoes protonation. नहीं है, वो गलत है. If OH group undergoes protonation, resulting intermediate becomes less stable. Therefore, first option is incorrect. C double bond C undergoes protonation. Yes, if C double bond C undergoes protonation, we are getting more stable carbocation intermediate. Next one, what is statement C? Rearrangement is not possible. वो तो गलत statement है. क्यों? Here rearrangement is takes place. Rearrangement is possible. Next one is Q has ketone functional group. Yes, of course it has ketone. Okay, therefore what is the answer? Option B, C double bond C undergoes protonation. Next one is Q has ketone functional group. Therefore B and D are correct options. In question number 3, this is O18. Now this molecule is treated with methyl alcohol in presence of acidic medium. यहाँ पर OH is a bad living group. By taking H plus convert into good living group. Here loss of water molecule takes place. Here carbocation will be stabilized by back bonding, right? What about the next one? It will react with methyl alcohol. Oxygen atom carries lone pair, it donates electron to this carbocation. Oxygen donating electron therefore gets positive charge. Positive charged oxygen releases H plus. Okay, this is compound R. Now select a correct statement. Here compound R, that is B option is correct. Okay. Next one, the reaction can be carried out in presence of base catalyst. वो सही है क्या? नहीं है. What is the reason? OH is a bad living group. It can convert into good living group in presence of acidic medium, but not in presence of basic medium. Therefore, this is incorrect statement. Okay. Reaction can be carried out in presence of only acidic medium, but not basic medium. Because OH is a bad living group, to convert into good living group, acidic medium is required, but not basic medium. Okay.